Hey Lux Dolls, thank you so much for joining me today again on my channel. Make sure you subscribe to me down below, Lavishly Beat. And today I'm going to be filming this quick and simple Christmas tutorial. So make sure that you pay attention, get your makeup palettes ready, and stay tuned. First, we're going to start with our skin. I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime to prime my face. Base of my eyeshadow starts with 3 layers. I'm going to use the LA Colors Pro Concealer in Cool Tan. Then I'm going to top that off with the NYX Glitter Glue. And then I'm going to set it all with the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder in Fair Light. Alright, let's play in some colors. We're going to start with the Morph 35O palette. I'm going to use this burnt orange color, and I'm going to go from the corners of my eye with the crease of my eye with this very fluffy brush, and this will create a transition color. I'm then going to go over that same orange with the burnt red that's right on top of it. Using that same palette, I'm going to go in my corners with a darker brown, and I'm going to work it up into my crease just a tad bit. This is going to create depth in my eyes. Taking a thinner, flatter brush, I'm going to use that same dark brown and create an angle that goes from the middle of my lid into the corners of my lid, and I'm just going to blend that out as so. I'm creating my cut crease with the LA Colors Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. And then I'm going to top this look off with the Juvia's palette, color in Molly. I would just like to take the time to appreciate Juvia's Place Cosmetics pigmentry. Like, their pigments are super pigmented. It's crazy. It's like my favorite eyeshadow brand thus far. I'm not going anywhere special, so I just used the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Airbrush Finish in color Honey Beige. Using that same concealer, I'm going to highlight my under eye, forehead, chin, and nose bridge with that, and I'm going to set it all with the same setting powder I used on my eyes. Yes, sometimes I break out in British. That is none of your business. Onto my brows, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. brow pomade. This is super comparable to ABH's brow pomade if you're on a budget, so my pockets really love this product. Also use the brow stick as well, just to make sure that I have no flyaways and all my eyebrows are super crispy and in place. I know you guys are going to want an eyebrow video. I'll be sure to post something up sooner because I know this one isn't very detailed, but just try to pay attention as best as you can. I'm going to use the same concealer brand in the Cool Tan that I use as an eyeshadow base for my eyebrow concealer. This Cool Tan is pretty close to my natural foundation color, so that's why I use it. I don't like super blending eyebrow concealer. It's dumb. For contour, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Stick in Coconut. I really like this for my contour. It's a very creamy formula. It gives me the perfect tone that I need for my contour. It's not too dark, and it just blends ever so effortlessly. And I'm just going to use a flat contouring brush, and I'm just going to work that into my cheeks and up into my forehead. Make this a high glam look. I'm going to add some setting powder under my contour, and this is just to create a pretty sharp contour line. I want to be Adele as fuck. I set my face with the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. I didn't get to film this whole video. Unfortunately, my phone died for the last part, but I do have the glitter lip. So I'm using this glitter that I found from glittergalore.com. It's a dark red burgundy. I really love the pigments, really love the glitter chunks in this. I'm just going to set this over a red lip I created by using the RK Red Lip Matte along with a black lip liner. And there we have a beautiful Christmas look that you can go ahead, wear to a Christmas party, and upset your whole family by being the better cousin. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Lavishly Beat. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.